What do I do if I get it in my eye? Burns! There's just a earthquake. Okay, listen, I know I've been gone for a while, and that's on me. That is on me alone. Look at my skin. Just not doing that great. I don't feel like being on camera. I haven't been the most confident. I haven't been the most motivated. I haven't been the most, I don't know. I've been, I don't know. I've just been depression and mental, I don't know. Listen, what can I say other than I'm sorry and I'm here now, and this is my new video. Let me tell you where it came from. So if you don't know, I've ruined my hair bleaching it and dyeing it and all that jazz, and I dyed it black recently so that I could leave it alone and not touch it during my mental breakdowns, including this one. You guys know how bad I wanted to dye my hair? So bad, but I didn't. And I was thinking, I was like, I need a different image. I need a different look. So I was like, what else can I do? And then I thought, what would it be like to bleach my eyebrows? Now, if you don't know, I microbladed my eyebrows. So I have a lot of hair on my eyebrows. Like, this is all my hair. But I do have microbladed eyebrows. So I was wondering what it would look like with like bleached hair, but what is it gonna look like? I thought about it, and then there was no going back after thinking about it. I was like, this has to happen because now I want to know what bleached eyebrows look like on microbladed eyebrows. And I also just need something new. I need something different. I need something that throws me out of the loop, you know? Like, I just need newness. I need disaster. And I went to Bevmo and I picked myself up some yummy White Claws, right? So to prepare for this video, I've drank 4 White Claws mango, but maybe you can't count the third one, so this would be my first. This would be my 4th. But my 3rd one, I was eating salmon with Martin, and a piece of salmon perfectly from my fork to here flipped off my fork and landed into the hole of my White Claw, and so I couldn't drink it because it was bubbling in there, like bubbling, and I was like, why is that bubbling so hard? Because I was gonna drink it or just like dump it out in a cup and take the salmon out, but the way it was bubbling, I was like, this already has too much salmon in it. I can't. It's bubbling all the flavors. It's gonna taste nasty. I can't do it. If you guys happen to like this video, maybe give it a little thumbs up. Maybe subscribe. Stick around for a while. I don't know, all that jazz. And drop a comment down below throughout this video. Just comment. Comment whatever you want. Drop at least 5 comments. Whoever drops 5 comments, fuck with you. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna call Martin in here and then we're gonna get into this. Whoa, what a name, Martin. Hello, welcome.
Sorry it took so long, man.
It's okay, man. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. This is Martin, my boyfriend, and he brought in the red wine.
We didn't have any wine glasses.
That's fine. Did you bring the opener?
Flutes, yeah.
What do you think about me bleaching my eyebrows?
I think it'll be pretty funny. I don't know, you might look cool.
I know, I hope I do. What if I dyed like the first 2 pieces of my hair blonde? Oh! No, your shoes!
Oh, that's okay. They're fine.
Oh my god, the white Vans.
They're supposed to get dirty. They're actually Adidas.
Oh, I'm sorry. Cheers to eyebrows, bleached eyebrows. Do you want me to do yours? That's delicious.
It is pretty good.
Wow, oh my god. And do you ever just crave wine? I've been craving like a good red wine, and this is pretty good. What was that called?
The Banished 19
The Banished 19 Crimes. This is pretty. Maybe it's just the glass we're drinking it out of. Don't look at
How much are you supposed to use?
Don't look at that beach.
Because you're not gonna
honestly, a little piece of this, unless I dye my hair. Look, it says darkest brown to black, not recommended. I'm this, and it says not recommended. Thinking it's gonna be blonde, but you're gonna be.
Sorry.
I just kind of want to look cool, and if I don't, then tomorrow I'm going back to Target and I'm getting some hair dye, and I'm going back to my.
I never really, like, noticed those.
You can see them though. You can. I'm not gonna need. Do you want anything on you bleach?
No.
Because I'm gonna have a lot of extra bleach.
No, 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 no.
Remove flat cap from cream developer. A. Shake bleaching powder and pour into developer. Screw flat cap onto. What? Wait.
Do you want me to read it to you?
I just can't see because of the light. Ooh, there's dog hair all in this bowl.
Hey!
By the way, this is ventilated. This area is ventilated. We got the window open. Do you hear that? That sounded like it was coming straight down. Will you do me a fave?
What's up?
Can you hold this? My arms look so wiggly.
Really? Do it again.
Stop laughing at me. Here we hold this. I'm excited. How am I not gonna get it in my eye? Like,
Just cuts and we're a
I just breathed that straight in. I got this. Put this by the window. I got it ready. I'm gonna drink some wine.
Oh, I just dropped instructions.
Destructions. What are we gonna do? How do I know how many times I put this on my eyebrows and how long for?
We're just gonna eyeball it.
Okay. Before we get into this, I'm gonna finish this little flute of wine.
Excuse me.
Should I chug it? Since you said that?
Yeah.
Or is this not a wine to chug?
Squidward! You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. And then he puts it back in, but he still has some stuff in it.
Patrick, it's still full.
I'm scared. I think I've just been talking so much because who knows how this is gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna dip this spoolie into here. And I'm just gonna, I don't know how to really do this. I've never dyed my eyebrows.
One. You burst into
Oh my god, I'm
flames.
gonna get it. What do I do if I get it in my eye? Can you get me like some toilet paper? I don't know what to say.
Excuse me.
What do you mean?
So I can get it.
No, you don't do it. I don't
Well,
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me just giving a little swipe right with this?
No. I wanna do it myself. I wanna do it myself.
Sure.
Ooh, it already burns. I don't know I've never done this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I wonder how long it's gonna take to lighten it. This is my good eyebrow. You know how you have one good eyebrow and one bad eyebrow? This one is the good one. Oh no. Oh no, it's getting in my hair. Schmitter. Help.
What do you need?
Oh my god, it burns so bad. Pause for a brief intermission. I'm making a TikTok. This one is already turning colors. Can you see? It's getting like a lighter blonde. Le spoile, la puta, la mima.
Le jonton le hoppa. Le spoile d'un pion, le viton jeté. Et le jonton le hoppa. Le spoile d'un pion.
Follow me on TikTok at KZ. This burns! Burns! It burns. But I feel like I'm gonna look cool. Like just how I look here with a red face and my hair. Look.
You might as well just bleach your head.
Stop, because I will. But that said, she do be getting blonder. This side not some. I should probably clean it up so it just doesn't burn my skin. All I want to do is be in a David Dobrik vlog. What do I gotta do for that? What do I gotta do? Okay guys, I decided I'm gonna kick Martin out now so that I can do the reveal, put on some makeup, and then go out there and get his reaction.
I thought you meant kick me out the house.
Why?
I don't know.
She'd be blonde. Should I do my eyelashes? Look how blonde it got.
You would not be able to do your eyelashes.
Look. We got the same amount. Let's chug it, Taylor. Come in here. Je joie les monopoles, les miroirs. Do you want another glass before you go?
Yes.
Okay.
Living life.
We're living like Larry. There's not really instructions for when to take this off. Oh my god. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. You can see that is my microblading. This is my hair. Do I do another round to see if it goes lighter? Because this is like orange. Never mind. This burns. Hold on. I just tried to go on with round 2. Nope, that's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Ah. I almost threw up. That hurts so bad. Anti-brass. I'm gonna shampoo and condition my eyebrows really quick. Schmader, this is so bad. You guys, you're gonna die. Hopefully we can get the brassy tones out of this and have it be like white. It's burning, you guys, it's burning. Itching and burning, itching and burning, itching and burning. Okay, I decided I'm gonna wash this off, do my makeup, and come back with the reveal for you, and then go out and get Martin's reaction. There's just a fucking earthquake. And I look like this. I don't know if I feel comfortable being in here. What do you think?
I think we're okay.
Like the whole bathroom moved.
Yeah. That was
It was like one big jump.
Yeah, it was a bump.
I can't do this. I don't know if you guys followed me when like the bigger earthquakes were going on, but it gave me such anxiety. I was literally putting on my eyelashes right now and the whole bathroom went, I don't know what to do. Let me at least put my other eyelash on. Can I call my mom? I just get scared.
You're okay,
I know I'm okay. I want my mom to pick up. Mom! What? There's just a little earthquake and I'm scared. This is what I look like with no brows. In the makeup routine I just used with the new CoverGirl stuff, I look a little like wet a little bit. I didn't use any setting powder. I need a drink. Hold on. My nerves right now are like up here. I feel like I look kind of cool. Schmidt, are you ready for the reveal? Okay, look at me. Well, I look kind of bad because you're up close and the makeup's kind of messed up, but look in the camera, it looks cool.
It does look pretty cool in the camera. Yeah, you look like you look like you're in you're from like Diane or something.
I think you're freaky.
Perfect.
They're kind of weird. I don't fuck with them anymore.
Oh really?
Sorry, some nasty shit that they did. Oh, Schmidt, I don't want another earthquake. Look, I got a little chemical burn there and some chemical burn there. You can't tell me nothing. I was so drunk last night and I feel like the fear from the earthquake made me like black out because I did not remember doing this to myself, and I got up this morning and I was like, oh my God. This is horrible. This is one of the worst decisions I've ever made. But let me explain myself. So I have like a phobia. Is there a phobia for natural disasters, like weather, any type of weather? Ever since I was a little girl, anytime there was a thunderstorm, I would hide under a table the entire time. Like I just have like a fear of the weather. Like I think it came from, no, because even before that I was scared. When I was little, I was home alone sick in elementary school, and my sister's boyfriend was babysitting me, and there was a massive tornado, and that like scarred me for life. So I hate anything like this. So living in California with the earthquakes and fires and stuff, it's been hectic. And you guys got a little glimpse of having some anxiety. But I can't believe I did this. What do I do? Because I don't want to diet back yet because this hurts. And I feel like it would kill me to diet back. So I just might not be able to leave my house for a little while. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure I filmed an outro last night. I'll go back to that one right now. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter right there. I'll post a picture right now like this if you like it. Then make sure you comment down below what you think about it from far away, not close up, because close up it looks like bad. But like from here, what do you think? Did you have fun in this video? Because I sure did until right now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully.